Hello guys, today I will show you how to create Superuser in Django project. So first of all, I came to my project. Here I have created a project, my project. In this my project, I have opened a terminal on my VNB server. Now I will go to my project folder. Here, now I am in my project folder. This is my project. Here is my Django project website. Now I will create a admin super user model for my project so that we can handle all the database crude operation of my website. So let's get ready. First of all, check that my Django website is still running well. That's why I need to run Python manage.py run server. It's taking time. After a while, I have opened the VS Code app. That's why it taking time. Okay, now my website is live, and I can visit into my Chrome browser. Here you can see. Here you can see that. mm, Here you can see my website is still running here. When I type 127.0.1, okay, yes, my website is still live. Now I need to create super user to log into my admin panel. The admin panel is here. I will show you. Let's go here. Here I need to open a super user to log into the Django administration. That's why I need to go to the command and close my running website, clear the screen. Now I need to, uh, you can see that we need to apply migrations of our Django project to run the database, SQLite database. That's why I am running the Python manage.py make migrations. Okay, make migrations. It will migrate that dbsqlite file. That's because of I didn't create any models.py models class. That's why it's showing no changes detected. But Django has built a backend database. We need to migrate them. That's why I will run now python manage.py migrate. After running migrate, it will migrate the stored database. Here you can see these are the stored database tables and columns under the tables are registered. Now these are okay and migrated. Now we will create the super user to visit and make crude operations on the website. That's why we need to run python manage.py create super user. Okay, I just enter the command. Something's wrong. I give to e. Okay, create super user. Okay, it is asking for the username. For me, the username I give the default my pc. Okay, my pc email address. If you want to give email address, you can give, or if you don't want, you can skip. For me, I am giving my email address kmnazmul125 at gmail.com. Okay, this is my email. Now I give enter. Here is the password section. Password, you can give weak password, also you can give strong password. um, For me, I am giving a weak password, just numbers, 1 2 3 4, enter. Again 1 2 3 4, enter. So that's why is because of I give a very weak and short password. That's why it is showing this password is too short. It must contain at least 8 characters. This password is too common. This password is entirely numeric, only number. That's why now in the last line it has told us bypass password validation and create user anyway. It is telling that user you can create user by bypassing the validation of password. I will now create it. I am giving y, yes, y mean yes. That's now I am entering. Okay, I entered, and it tell us that super user created successfully. Now in my Chrome browser I just visit. When I visit, my username was my PC and my password was 1234. Enter. Oh, I didn't run the project. I need to run python manage.py run server. Okay. uh, Something mistake. Oh, I mistake on the spanning of manage.py run server. Okay, enter. Okay, it's showing that system check identification no issue. Django version 5.2.2 using settings my project.settings. Everything is okay, and it is giving some warning. This is a development server. Do not use it in production settings. It's a backend. While we will know the settings while showing this in our next videos. Now we will show see our video, our admin page, what it show. My PC, I will give my credentials to log in to admin Django administration. My password is 1234. We will log in, and it's taking time. I don't know why. Okay, you guys, we can see that our Django site is live, and we has entered the administration page. Here is the admin page. Here I can now create users from here, also super users from here. Here is the users Django auth. You can see I my informations are stored here. Also, when we create models.py, I am in models.py class, my class, what will I see? Blog post. Blog post models dot model. Models dot model. For your assurance, I just create a model, and we will show this on the admin page. I'm just creating a simple field to show title. Title equal to models dot models dot, because of this will be a character field. That's why I give it character char field. And the max length of the character of title will be 100. It will be null. It can be null. True, blank, true. Just for demo, I am showing you demo field of models class. Now we just created a class and refresh it. It will not show the model here because we didn't register it on the admin.py. Here we can see in my project we have a admin.py file. Here we need to register our model. So first of all, I need to import my model from dot models, import blog post. Now we need to register. To register the model, we need to admin dot site dot register built-in function, and just we need to type the blog spot here. Now save. We can see no errors here showing. Now in the admin page, when we refresh, oh, we can see here is our blog post model, and something is error, operational error, admin base blog spot, which no such table base blog spot, blog post. Okay, okay, blog post. Here is showing something error here. Blog post. Oh, we just did a mistake on the class name blog post. In class name, in Python Django, we need to handle the capitalization of the model class names. Okay, I think it will work now. Uh, let's try. Let's try. Something wrong. What's the wrong? No such table based on blocks. Right. I think here is something wrong. Dot model, so we need to delete the dot. Let's try again. Oh, something is okay. Base dot models. If we use this, let's see what it shows. No, again, no such table base blog post. Okay. Let's see what is the problem. Did I install? Oh no, I didn't make the migrations after creating the models. I need to create Python manage.py make migrations. Okay, when I will migrate, then it will show on the, we can edit the tables on the admin page. Now we can see that base dot migration for base migration 001 initial dot py plus create model blog post. Now it has created the blog post. Now we need to manage.py migrate the models. It will automatically migrate all the models in the models.py. Okay, it is now it's showing operation to perform, apply all migrations admin auth base. My app name is base, that's why it's showing base. Content types sessions is on the backends, applying base 001 initial. Okay, now everything is okay. We will again run our server python manage.py run server. Now let's see it will work. Okay, okay, it has worked. We are in the blog post table. Now we will create a title from here. Hello, how to create superuser in Django admin. Okay, I'm saving. Oh, now it's showing that the blog post has created a new data in the database. So guys, this is my first video with voice. If something gone wrong, please forgive me. Please share my video to your friends who wants to know how to learn Django who wants to learn Django, and also give a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.